morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Hello, hello. Let's go. Anna Marie, welcome in. Flippin' Marvelous, welcome in. Thank you for your daily. Thank you, friend. I'm just heading out to do chores earlier than yesterday. How are you? I am good. How's it going? How's it going? It's like minus a lot here. So, thank you for the taps. Thank you, thank you. These boots. I'm gonna wear these other boots. They're not mine. Shh. They won't even know. Thank you for reposting. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I should also share it out before I go outside. So how are things? How are things for you? Getting over this nasty phlegmy thing. Thank you for all those taps. They help me out so much. Are you staying warm? You gotta be. Alright. Your gift stream. I'm not doing that. Magic Travis, welcome in. Thank you for your daily. Thank you so much. I don't know what was going on. How cold is it? Let me check. All right, -9 feels like -12. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm gonna show you what quick chores look like. Hi, friend. Hi, Tian. All right, so yesterday was long chores. Look at, we're sporting it. The all-in-one. Papa size. Used to be my dad's when he was welding. When he was making sparks and stuff. Oh! Hockey with soccer with a cat this morning. Cat soccer. Doorway cat soccer. Hi! You want to say hi? Hold on. Okay, say hi. Hi, people. Hi. Hi, people. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, I gotta go to town to get groceries. So we're gonna do quick chores. Let's go see who we're gonna see first, baby chicken. Yeah, so we did the big chores yesterday where we filled up all of the things that are gonna last days. And then we just have like daily small things to do. So it'll be quick. Blue is out again. Oh. Blue is out again. Blue. My big Brahma girl. Oh, and Cheeks is having a drink of water. See if I can flip you. Flip. There we go. Zondo, touch it. There's our blue Brahma. Who do we have coming out there? We got a gray one. We got a black and white laced one. Zebra chicken. Urgh, I don't like you. Zebra chickens. Zebra chickens. If they lay the eggs on the ground. I don't know. If the chickens were eating the eggs, they'd have egg on their face, and I'd see it. I have not seen it. I can't wait to make chicks and have different ones. Me too. I think that would be so fun for you. Hi, gray chicks. Cheeks. Hi. The gray and tan one there in the middle. Oh, is so pretty. So pretty. And then I'm sure this is a Cochin. Feathered feet, really fluffy wide rear. Easter egger. Look at handsome Rob. Oh, he's a boy. He's a nice boy. With him Cheeks. Mama Terry, welcome in. Welcome in, everyone. How's it going? Hey, I have chickens. Yay! Chicken friends. Mama Terry, what kind of chickens do you have? That's what Nugget is like. Very wide, but no feathers on her feet. She is cute. She is cute. Mr. Man. Handsome Rob. Boy, he's looking good. They all looked so shabby in the winter. These guys. What are you doing? Oh. Brown ones and a hatched mix. Nice. Are you getting colored eggs or brown eggs or white eggs? Ken Harris, welcome in. We got a big rooster talking a big game in here. I have Frizzle, so cute. She is so cute. Frizzles are so cute. Oh, that's Mr. Meaner talking big over there. Yeah. Why are you in here? All right, so. Mr. Meaner. Shh. You're too loud. Too loud for this show. It's so dark in here again. How are they doing today? They're doing... Mr. Meaner, go outside. Hi. He talks a big game. Yeah. Yeah, you do. He talks a big game. He's gentle boy, though. We call him Mr. Meaner because he was in with the girls when we were in molting, and I thought it was he was done with that. He's all done with that. Let me see. Excuse me. Oh. Is my clip broken? Oh no. Shoot. Okay, remind me. No more adjusting the legs in the winter because the clips broke. I thought I felt something yesterday when I was adjusting the legs, and that was bad. It broke actually. So poop shelf doing good. Hold up. The oh, gee whiz. Like I said yesterday, the poops freeze. They come out and then they freeze, which I wasn't really expecting. I don't know why I didn't expect that, because I don't know. I guess my brain didn't go there. So there's another rooster. Feasting up in here. What are you doing? Don't eat the chicken poop. See you licking your chops. So eggshells, dried, crushed. And then we also have eggshells. Where are they? Hello in here. Let's see. Oyster shells, that one's empty. We'll fill that up today. I think they dumped it. So they'll scratch around for it. It does look like a little nest was being made. 2 little nests underneath the nesting boxes, which that's a good sign. Because we haven't seen those in a while. We haven't seen little nests in a while. Andy, welcome in. Chris, welcome in. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some oyster shells for this. What are you doing? And then I'll try and grab you another chicken. We can have an up-close interview. Watch out. What are you doing in here? Get out. Get out. I hear you. I hear you. Alright, so chickens know when they need calcium. It's like the same as when you have a craving for salt or you have a craving for water. You get thirsty. Chickens have a craving for calcium when they get low and they need it for their egg production. They will choose the calcium. And I try to offer both oyster shell and eggshells. And I don't want to offer just eggshells because I don't want them, you're making a mess. Some people say if you feed back your eggshells, you'll create egg eaters. I don't believe that because when I think they're going for the protein when they're trying to eat the eggs. When they're eating the eggs more, then it's more for protein than calcium. The pure calcium in the oyster shell will have a higher level than their eggshell. And if they're already low in calcium and you're feeding them just the eggshells, they're gonna deplete still eventually. Yeah, these zebra chickens, come on. You sure look cool. Do you wash them or bake them? I bake them or I dry them out just like over months. This is a beautiful rooster. Who's behind me poking my shoes? Come here. Hi. You are. It's a beautiful Easter egger. Look at. Settle down your face. Look at your cheeks. Hi. With your white splash of white. Been minus 30 here for the last few days. Lots of frozen eggs. I just scrambled them and fed them back. Yeah, that's a good way. That's so good because you change the composition of it, right? Now it's a protein food. You're feeding it back instead of them eating their own eggs. Here's my blue Brahma. Blue partridge. Oh, you're so silky. You're a beautiful girl. Yes, you are. She is so beautiful. Did that too the other day. Yeah. It's so good for them, you know. That extra protein. Yeah. You can tell her. She's like a bigger bird. You can tell in her voice. My rooster is a little bit concerned. Hi. Hi. See you back there. Whew. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. With her floof. See her. She's a big girl. Rachel, welcome in. How was your live this morning? Hi. Thank you. Oh, get it up. Yay! Thank you for that. Thank you for that. So good. Your weather is good. Are you getting a lot of rain as well as the valley? Like mainland? Because Abbotsford is looking a little underwater. Only have a minute. Heading for my staff lunch and spa. Oh my goodness. Have fun. Have fun. That sounds wonderful. So we got 2 Brahmas huddling up. We got a gold partridge over here. And then Frankie, our black partridge, and then a blue partridge Brahma coming in. Hi. Come on in. Come on in. So waters are full. Much better than a big... yeah. Yeah. Thank goodness. Right? Because, yeah. I'm with you on that. I'd rather do a nice lunch and a spa. Hey, who is still back here? Is it you still? Still? Oh my. This girl, she's just eating the snow off my shoes still. Go outside then. Go outside. Thank you for the free roses. Mr. Neener, just stop. Just stop. He's over in the back talking a big game. Do you give less eggs? I get less eggs in the winter months. Yeah, because there's less daylight. All right, have fun. Yeah, the chickens need 14 to 16 hours of daylight hey you. To produce that egg-laying hormone. So definitely you'll get less eggs in the winter. Some people supplement the light, and I was starting to do that. And my timer kind of went wonky. Not sure. Because it was coming on. And then maybe I switched it when I bumped it. Let me check it here. So it's set to 4 extra hours. What's this one? How many hours of daylight are we getting right now? So this is what it would look like when it's on. This is off. 2 extra hours. 6, 8. And this is just on when it's too dark. So the sensor is still saying it's light enough. So that's all right. All right, let's fill up this feed and then carry on. This is my feed tub. It's got a porthole. Let's see if someone will demonstrate. They stick their head in there. They grab some crunchies. Settle down back there. It feels like there's still at least 1 scoop of food in here. Oh yeah, at least. So I'm just gonna add 2 scoops over like yesterday. The lights on. Yeah, it's overcast. It's warmer when it's overcast. What's going on? Latch is being weird. There we go. Watch out. There we go. The water is fully topped up. And welcome in everyone. Zeus, welcome in. So they have to go out to get their water. And that's to cut down on humidity. That is also going to help cut down on frostbite, because humidity and draft create frostbite on chickens' combs. and you don't want that. I've got a couple roosters this year with fairly large combs that are starting to look a little chilled. So I'll grab some Vaseline today, and then we'll come out and put some Vaseline on some of these boys. Not sure where they would be getting a draft from, except I do leave the door open. Hey, handsome Rob, how you doing? How you doing? Shane the man, welcome in. How are you? Hi, Brahma. You really like the snow off my boot. Come on in. Come on in, mottled Americana. So a good rooster would let the hens eat first. But I do see there's 2 roosters over there, just scarfing their faces full of food. But even though there was a good helping of feed in there, they weren't all huddled around it eating. So they had gotten their fill already. I think they think there's more treats available. Hi, partridge girl. So how many blue partridge do we have? 1. Cheeks, what are you doing? I'd love it if you just sat there and laid me an egg. A little blue egg. 2 blue partridge Brahmas. And 2 gold partridge Brahmas. That's what I see. Then there's this one here that's more black than these guys. She's a beauty. Cheeks, you should. And then I've got a rooster guarding her right here. Put Vaseline on them. Yeah, on their combs. She's sitting here. It looks like she wants to lay an egg, and this rooster is kind of guarding her. Oh, no, he stopped. She was just out getting some water. Oh, that would make my day. It can take like 15 minutes to half an hour for them to actually lay an egg, so we're not going to sit here and watch. This boy right here, this white and brown rooster right here is so beautiful. Well, it looks like she's trying. But they kind of stand up when they're actually going to drop the egg, so we'll see. We'll see. I don't know why she doesn't go in the nesting box, because they're so nice. Such nice nesting boxes. And she's not even huddling up into a corner. How come? It protects them from the moisture and the draft. That's like putting a glove on. Hey, Mr. Meaner, are you protecting her too? What you guys doing? Those 2 girls are talking under there. Yeah. There's 2 hens under there. The Brahma, she was checking them out. I thought this was a rooster, not. No, she's a hen. Good. A dark partridge Brahma. You happy about that? Come on, Cheeks, lay an egg for us. Come on, girlie. Oh, here's her rooster coming back. Protecting her again. Maybe. Hi, little Americana. I don't know how patient are we today to see if that's what she's in fact doing. And then who comes over first to eat it if she does lay an egg. Who's sneezing in the back? Go get a drink of water. Those roosters over there. Hey, are you a hen? You shouldn't eat those eggshells. You're not a hen. Hopefully we're not just waiting for nothing and she's just sitting there warming herself. No, you don't get to just sit in the doorway. Other people want in. Look at this. She's puffed right up because it's cold. So she's warming herself in the doorway where it's chilly. What are you doing? Why are you being so weird? Oh my goodness. Chickens are weird. Oh, there she goes. She's in. Hi. Yes, this guy here, I think he's a Welsumer or a Bielefelder. The gray bottom with the gold top. I'll look him up again, but I'm thinking he's a Welsumer. He's got a bit of a touch of cold on his comb. His comb is really big. That's why I like the raspberry combs, because they're closer to their head. They're less susceptible to frostbite. Raspberry combs are like a little pea comb. This guy, oh, you scared her. What if she was going to lay an egg? Did you get scared, Cheeks? No, she's standing up. Did you get scared? Was there a kerfuffle happening? Yeah, Mr. Meaner, of course you're sneezing over there. Maybe she'll go under. Where is she going? No, okay. So no, she is not gonna lay an egg. I thought she might have. Thought she might have been wanting to do that. Hi. Hi. This guy here is pretty handsome. He's got a decently small comb, but it is one of the bigger ones. Where's my big boy? So the big rooster coming up close, he's got a raspberry comb. This white rooster's got a fairly tall comb. Probably get some Vaseline for him. And there was another, oh, you might be outside. He had a big floppy comb and his looked like it got touched with some frost too. Hi. So yeah, they come and go in and out all day as they choose. Well, Mr. Meaner, she doesn't want to mate with you. You don't even have a beard or a feathered feet. She's like, no, not my type. Lisa! Oh my goodness! Thank you for the hand hearts. There, I'm just admiring my chickens and commentating for you. Thank you for the taps. How are you, friend? How's it going? I'm coming over my cold. I'm doing good. Hi, come here. I just fed the chickens, topped up their oyster shells. We were going to go down and see the pigs. And then we're going to go, excuse me, then we're going to go to town, finish up some, thank you. Yeah, I slept a good 12 hours Friday night into Saturday morning. I needed it. Handsome Rob, settle down. So you can't tell the difference now, but your Lisa chickens are the same size as my big laying hens. Oh, my bunny is right outside the door. I'll show you. My Lisa chickens. All right, let's switch you around. There we go. There's a bunny. There's more chickens. Drinking some water. They are big, hey? Oh, there's some more chickens. Yeah, let's see. Like, this is a Lisa chicken. These two are Lisa chickens. They're the same size now. That's a Lisa chicken. Not that one. The gray one's back. That gray one. Cheeks that always hops up on my shoulder. She's a Lisa chicken. Look at her face. She's so cute. One beside that rooster. Aren't they huge already? It doesn't take long. It takes long and then it doesn't all of a sudden. What are you doing? Trying to eat off her face? Why are you being weird? I'm all over the place. They are huge. Yeah. They are. This handsome Rob. Zebra chickens, and I'll never get this kind again. They're bossy and mean. Not to me, they're mean to the others. Oh, there's another Lisa chicken. Look at the color on this one. It's like an eagle. The gold and the gray. Here's one that's more gray than gold with a beard and cheeks. Another zebra chicken. Beautiful. They are beautiful. All right, let's go feed the pigs, and then I'm gonna go to town and get food for people. And still no eggs. That's okay. Maybe for Christmas. Maybe I'll get eggs for Christmas. Flip. Okay. Put you in the stand. There we go. We're all bundled up today. But are they using the bins? No. No, they're not. Quite disappointed. Not even footprints. There's some feather prints on the top because they hop from over there across and then they slide off. No, there's a tiny bit of poop here, but they're not going inside. I'm glad I didn't pay for that. I'd be quite ripped. All right. Goodbye for now, chickens. We'll see you tomorrow. What are you doing here? But we do have baby chicks still because of that one hen that laid in the fall in the greenhouse. They're just in here racking up my electricity bill. That's what they're good at. Look at them. Bunch of babies. I forgot that. Yeah, 3 of the 7 survived. Yeah. They're shabby looking. They're getting their feathers, but they still have that teenage fluff on their head. Can't see their details very good with that red light, but they still need the heat. It's too cold. Can't shut that. I need 2 hands. 3 of 7. I know. We went to feed them, and the mom was in their trampoline, though. Okay, here you go. Say hi, Lisa. Say hi. Skinny dog. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Down. You don't do that. Lisa's cat sitting. Thank you. Yeah, she's cat sitting. Yeah. You would be nice to her, cat. You would. Okay, I need a pail. This is always like, this is worse than does your feed bag open up on its own. Maybe I'll do it this way so you can see my struggle. The struggle is real when you get pails and they don't come apart. There you go. Phew. Okay, there we go. We'll do 2 scoops. Watch out, Jasper. He's like Jasper the bear, except skinny. Yeah. His little brown, his little white beard. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, I know. I know. Did your mom feed you? Did she feed you today? Probably not if you're in here eating chicken food. His favorite treat, it's so gross. He likes to eat chicken poo. He's so gross. He comes over to the coop and finds all the poop. You're so gross. This can't hurt him. There's nothing, no like weird vitamins or anything. But why? I don't know. You would think that the chicken poo would hurt him more than the chicken food. He's so silly. Okay. Let's go see the pigs. Hi, Dave. Let's go see the pigs. I hear something. They got something running. Maybe it's the tractor. Thank you for the fest pops. And I love you so much. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the finger hearts. Hey, hey. Oh, it's a side by side that's running. Thank you for those. All right, let's go see. Let's go see the pigs. We're gonna turn this off. Aw, thank you for the flowers. Thank you for those. Oh, what's on here? Wonder if we should have put this on something that we could keep it from being in the snow. Okay. Oh, Lisa, you're so kind. Thank you so much. Thank you, beautiful friend. Well, my pigs are calling. Let's go down now that we can hop the fence without shocking ourselves. Hi, Piggly Wigglies. Hi, Piggly Wigglies. Hi. Go down the stairs. There's probably a 6-foot drop here in elevation. So we got stairs. Joe, welcome in. Thank you for the taps, babe. Okay, let's go hop the fence. 1, 2. Come on. The fence is off. You have to have food. Otherwise, they will go looking for food elsewhere. They're pretty good at following you, though. Or leading. Are you going in front? Oh, you didn't eat the cabbage. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Put you guys down. Okay. Hold up, girls. Hold up. You're being really pushy. bossy one in the pan first. Oh. Oh, that was too much. Hey, get out of my pail. Okay, you're in the pail too. There you go. There you go. So yeah, these are my girls. We got cookies and cream and peaches. Peaches and cream. Cookies and cream like the Hershey's bar. Cookies and cream. Hi. They're fluffy. Okay, what are you doing? Did you eat too fast? There we go. There we go. Looks like I got 3 bars down here. Hopefully it's not buffering too bad for you guys. So what didn't they eat? They didn't like the parsley. And they didn't eat the butt of the cabbage. I'm surprised you didn't eat that. The half a red onion, which is to be expected. And a half a cabbage. You didn't want to eat that either. Toss the onion up. That's a chunk of ginger. That would be good for you. That would be good for you. Ah, thank you. You too, Lisa. I'll try and catch your live later today if you're up. Hi, Witchy. Thank you for the daily. Thank you so much. Ours never liked onions either. Yeah, they don't. But to me, I'll put it out here and they'll just trample it into the ground. They'll like compost it and it will decay. Witchy's here in my house. Oh my goodness! Ah! That's so awesome. I love you girls. Party at Lisa's. Booking my flight. That's awesome. So true, right? Like, I'm not going to toss it. I love you too. I'm not going to toss the onions in the trash. I just don't see. Come on over, she says. I'm a newbie in New Brunswick. That's awesome. I'm so glad you moved close to Lisa. That's so awesome. Yeah, so I think we'll give these girls some pets. Oh, you have food in your purse. Get out. Get out. They don't get much of like an undercoat. They just get more fur. How many pigs can you do this with? I get my keys on Wednesday. Yay! And then are you going to do a house tour? Are you going to do a tour? Do like a before and after. When you first get your keys and it's all empty, do a big pan on your living area that you're going to show. And then after you get all moved in, do like the boxes came in and then everything, like time lapse. I think that would be so cool. I want to see it. I want to see it. $12.25. Yeah, I think we're gonna go to town to get people food. Finish up some of our Christmas shopping. Oh, these girls. All empty and baby blue. Oh, I love it. Aw, I like that. That's so awesome. I like baby blue. What's my girl say? Oh, they're ready to go. Yes. They're gonna start the car. Start the car! Hey, hey! How are ya? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna say goodbye. We gotta go get some groceries. And I hope everyone has an amazing week ahead. We will see you all again. See you all again on the weekend. I only go live on the weekend. You know me. Okay. Awesome. I know lots of people. Sherry Little, welcome in. Yeah, live on the weekends. I'll do shorts during the week if I can. By the time I get home from work and we're doing chores, it's dark. It's like headlamp, flashlights, and we just come out quick. I don't know what kind of content I can do, but I definitely have to do a video of me giving these girls a little hair brushing. So we'll get that on there. If you have any other requests for short videos, informational, funny, up close, different animals and whatnot, let me know. Thank you everyone for popping in. I am going to sign off. We'll see you again soon.